Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. For this video, we have our Play by Sephora box, and for the month of August, before I forget, I was totally gonna forget to say the month, but before we continue, I wanted to remind you guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I do post mostly unboxings, but I'm trying to get out of the unboxings and add more different content to the channel. So keep that in mind. And for now, let's get into this box. Like I mentioned, it is the Play by Sephora for the month of August. For those of you that don't know about this subscription, it is a $10 a month subscription, and you do get 5 samples in here, 5 deluxe size samples, along with a little bag. The baggie, honestly, it looks almost like a Ziploc bag with design. So the bag is nothing special, but you do get luxury samples sometimes. And I do like their box because you get to try different brands that they carry in their store. And like I mentioned, sometimes they give you some of the expensive brands and you get to try it without having to buy it. So like always, we have our little pamphlet here with our 50-point card, and let's see what our theme is here. Do we have a theme? And yeah, it says The Adventures of Play Bay, and it's almost like a little comic strip. And in the back, like always, we have the information on our products that we have in here. So let's get into the box and take it all out. My bag looks a little bit empty this time. I hope we have something good. But like I mentioned, this is the baggie that everything comes in. This is why I said that it almost looks like a little Ziploc bag, because it literally has that thing up here. You can just close it off and you can put your sandwich in there. So let's get into the products that we have in here, and let's take out the very first one. And here we have something from Clinique, and it is the Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It's a mouthful. It's a light pink container. It's a hard plastic, and the moisturizer inside is just a clearish pinkish gel that you have inside. I wonder if it feels thick. It doesn't feel thick, but honestly, it does feel like almost oily. So for somebody that has oily skin, I don't know how well this one would work. I don't know if it'll add more oil to your skin throughout the day, which is something that I do not like. But I know I have people that can make good use of this. So this is our first item from Clinique. Let's see what we have up next. And oh, what is this? So it's from Glam Glow, and it looks just like a little tiny vial with like liquid. It looks kind of weird. But it is a super toner. It is an exfoliating acid solution. So it is a very, very small sample. I don't know how many uses you can get out of this one, but I'm always happy to try these little samples. I've never seen anything like this before. Usually the toners that I see, they're either clear or they're like a light yellowish, but I've never seen something gray like this. This is pretty interesting. Let's see what else we have in here. Up next, I'll go ahead and take this one out, and no surprise here. It is from Briogeo, and it is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Imperfection and Heat Protecting Cream. This is what it looks like. Usually we get a little spray bottle, but this one is just in a little squeezy tube. That's what it looks like there. And I do like these, even though, yes, we get them really, really often. I do like getting these because I do use all of these. I have so much frizz. So much frizz. If you can't see it now, I mean, I'm surprised. But I really, really like these because they smell so good. I It's for your hair. I have no idea why I just rubbed it on my skin. I just wanted to smell it, but I went ahead and rubbed it on my skin. But it smells really, really good. So if you add this to your hair, it does give your hair that refresh scent. So I really, really like these. So that's item number 3 from our box. Now I'm full of cream that doesn't even go on your skin. It's for your hair. I'll go ahead and take this one out. And it is from Bare Minerals. And it is the Set, Hydrate, and Glow. And it is a dew mist. Oh, okay. It's a setting spray. It came in this little packaging. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, we have a little tiny, super tiny spray bottle. That's what it looks like there. And here it says to shake well. So I'm going to go ahead and shake it and spray it on my arm and see what. I don't know. I don't think it has a scent, but I went ahead and sprayed it on the inside of my arm. Didn't notice much of a difference, maybe because I have a little bit more drier skin here, but I didn't really feel a difference. So I'm gonna have to try this on my face. I usually stay away from mists that say they give you like a dewiness to your skin, just because I get oily throughout the day and I don't want to look extra oily. But I'll still go ahead and give this a try because you never know, it might just work for my skin. We have 2 items left in the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and reach for this one, and it is from Sunday Riley, and this is the High Dose Retinoid Serum. I'm not exactly sure what it does for your skin. I'm gonna take a quick look at our little pamphlet and see what it says there, but that's what our container looks like. And let me see what it looks like inside, if it even has anything. I was trying to squeeze it and nothing was coming out because it's so empty. I can't see how much it actually has inside, but that is what it looks like. It's a greenish thing. It's like a greenish, it's not a gel because it's really watery, and it's not a cream either. Let me look over here. It says a retinoid serum with super strength and a gentle side. It's exactly what you need to combat the looks of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Okay, so it smells kind of weird, honestly. I can't say what it smells like. It just smells weird. And when I put it on my hand, I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but it's like extra shiny here. So this is something I'm assuming you can use in the night and just kind of like leave it on and then take it off in the morning. We are down to our last item from our bag, and we have something from NARS. This is the packaging, typical NARS black and white letters, and it is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So let me see, and in the shade Dance Fever. So let me take it out. I really, really like these. I have used these before, and I love their formula. Can't get it. Oh, it looks like, okay. This is what our little chubby crayon pencil looks like, and I'm hoping this is the color. Okay, so that is what our little pencil looks like. And let me just get a quick swatch here. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, I'm super happy with this one. That is what the color looks like there. And like I said, I have tried these. They are super soft. They do last quite a bit of time, throughout the day. So I really, really like these. Okay, so those were all of the items from our box. This one was really, really like skincare heavy, not makeup heavy. This is the only makeup item that we got. I mean, I don't know if you would consider the Dew Mist makeup, but everything else was pretty much skincare or for your hair. Not a bad box, not something that I would typically go in and buy, which is why I like these boxes, because they get you to try things that you, one, have never heard of, or two, you just, wouldn't go and pick these up. So I'm not 100% happy with the box, but then again, I'm not mad at it. Let me know what you guys think down below. What did you guys get? Did you guys get a different variation? Because I know they do have different items that they add to the boxes sometimes. So what did you guys get? I'm really curious to see if this was just mostly for skincare, or if anybody got any more makeup in their boxes. So those were the items for our Play by Sephora for the month of August. Let me know down in the comments below any thoughts, comments, questions, anything you want to let me know down there. And that is all from me for right now. I will be back pretty soon with another video, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.